Imagine walking into a team meeting and seeing a wall covered in colorful cards. Each card marks a task, calmly flowing from start to finish. That's Kanban, a visual method that transforms how work gets done. Unlike traditional approaches that throw hundreds of tasks at teams, leaving many stuck in limbo, Kanban takes a smarter route. Instead of staying endlessly busy, teams pull in the next piece of work only when they're ready. It's about control and clarity, not chaos. Picture the difference. In the old way, you could have 100 tasks started, but only a handful ever get finished. With Kanban, 5 tasks are started, and all 5 are finished before the next batch begins. Workflows, results happen. Teams across insurance, aviation, and manufacturing are seeing real transformation. By shifting their focus from activity to accomplishment, they unlock smoother deliveries and higher quality outcomes. Kanban isn't just another process, it's a mindset. The goal is steady progress from request to completion, without bottlenecks or backlogs. Ready to move your team from busy to brilliant? Kanban is more than a method. It's a catalyst for true business change.